Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to show you how to make a fidget spinner. Okay, so what you're going to need: 4 bearings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you're going to need 4 bearings. Get the one that spins the best. This one's so far. How I test them is I get the one that's better, and I just test them up against the other 3. Okay, this one's good. The best, so this one's going in the middle, okay? Okay, so we got the middle. That's it. You know how you're going to set them up? Well, not really, but. So, get your zip tie. Don't tighten it all the way around, okay? Get 3 other zip ties. Take sure this side, the big side that's sticking out, is facing towards the middle, okay? Here, I'm going to tighten it a little more. Okay, so these need to be facing towards the middle. 1, 2, 3. Now you can pull it tight. Oh. Okay, I'm having trouble. I will come back when I have it fixed. Okay, we're back. I got these in. So you have your 3 all facing inside. Now you're going to get them to about where you're going to have them. Like, you know, like the angles, because if they're all right by each other, then it's not obviously not going to work. So you're going to close enough, okay? Then you're going to pull this one as tight as you possibly can. 1 click. Okay, that's about as much as it's going to go. Then you're going to snap that because you don't need that anymore. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put your zip ties on the bottom. Okay. Click them together. Let's say, oh my god, it's like this. Well, it'll still move. Just get it like this and then pull it some more. Because you want it to end like this, right? Just a sec. Gotta move it over. There we go. Okay. You want it so far we're like that, okay? You can snip that. Leave it a little long on the outside ones because you want to still be able to pull it tighter if you have to. Okay? Then you're going to do that on the other 3. Okay, so bang. This is my 3rd time doing it, so I already know how to do it. And if you mess up, all you need is a nail. And then you stick it through the back of this, and it comes undone. Okay. Now I just got one more to do. There. It's like this. But you say, oh my god, it's like this, how's it gonna work? They move. That's one struggle. And then what I did on my old one, I had to redo it though because my sister messed with it. I put rubber cement when it's smooth because, oh, just a second, let me cut these. See how it's kind of bumpy, but not really? Whoa, what the? We were working just fine earlier. Okay. What you want to do is, okay, so let's say it's right here. It's not the smoothest, it's kind of bumpy. Okay, so you're just going to keep adjusting it until it's really smooth. How I adjusted it is just like get the back of a mechanical pencil, then just measure it. It should be about middle to middle. Or on this, I guess it's bigger than the one I have at school. End to end. Okay, this is about, yep, that's smooth. So then you put your rubber cement there, okay? So that's how you make a fidget spinner. Remember to leave a like and subscribe if it worked. Leave a comment down below if it worked. And I will see you next time. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Share with your friends if you enjoyed. And peace out.